2, 3, and action.
Welcome to Cooking with Dominic. Today, we're cooking a dog. So, enjoy.
I'm Asian! I find a dog! Find a dog! The dog! My dog! Put it in the oven! Ah! We are cooking a dog! Get out! Ah! Shove it in there! Ah! Fire! Fuck you! No! This is my dog! I know! Kill this dog!
Here, use this.
Yes! Ah! He's cooking! The dog is cooking! Shoot it!
No.
Not me! The dog! He's in there cooking! Take him out! Yay! Now freeze him! Ah!